Want glowing, natural skin without spending a fortune on chemical creams? Then you'll love this. With the Medicinal Garden Kit, you can grow your own healing herbs right at home and use them to create amazing DIY face masks. Check out the link in the description below to get your Medicinal Garden Kit today. In this video, I'll show you 3 simple herbal face masks you can make using fresh herbs from your garden. These are perfect for glowing skin, reducing acne, and soothing irritation all naturally. Let's start with a refreshing mint and aloe vera mask, ideal for oily or acne-prone skin. Take a handful of fresh mint leaves and blend them with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply it to your face, leave it for 15 minutes, then rinse. Mint cools the skin and fights acne-causing bacteria, while aloe vera deeply hydrates and heals. Next is a soothing chamomile and honey mask, perfect for calming sensitive or irritated skin. Mix 2 tablespoons of chamomile flowers with 1 tablespoon of honey, apply evenly, and rinse after 20 minutes. Chamomile reduces redness and inflammation, and honey locks in moisture for a soft, radiant glow. Finally, try a calendula and yogurt mask to brighten your complexion. Blend fresh calendula petals with 2 tablespoons of yogurt, apply for 15 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water. Calendula promotes skin repair and helps fade spots, while yogurt gently exfoliates and refreshes your skin tone. The best part? You can grow all these herbs yourself with the Medicinal Garden Kit. It comes with everything you need: seeds, a planting guide, and all the essentials to start your own herbal beauty garden right at home. So if you're ready to embrace natural skincare straight from your backyard, grab your Medicinal Garden Kit today. The link is in the description below. Go natural, stay beautiful, and let your skin thank you for it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who loves herbal skincare.